Hi, this is Kirk from iMazing. Today I'm going to tell you how you can export, save, and print SMSs and iMessages from your iPhone or iPad. In this video, you'll learn how to browse your iMessages and SMSs, save iMessages and SMSs to your computer, save attachments to your messages, export messages from a backup, and print your iMessages and SMSs. Launch iMazing and connect your iOS device. If you've already connected a device and it's available via Wi-Fi, you'll be able to use it without a wired connection. Select your device in the iMazing sidebar, then select Messages. iMazing extracts your messages from your latest backup. If you haven't backed up your device recently, you should do so now. To do this, click the Refresh button in the iMazing toolbar. This may take a few minutes. When iMazing has finished backing up your device, it will display all of your messages. Select one or more conversations or one or more messages. To save them to your computer, click one of the Export buttons. iMazing lets you export messages in three formats: PDF, which saves a PDF document with the look and feel of your messages; text, which provides a plain text file containing your messages; and CSV or comma-separated values, which allows you to import your messages into an app such as Microsoft Excel. Click the Export button for the format you want to use. If you've only selected one item, iMazing asks if you want to export only the selected item or all items. Click the appropriate button, tell iMazing where you want to save your messages, and iMazing exports them. You can also export attachments to your messages, the photos, files, and other items your friends may send you. To do this, select one or more conversations or select a photo or other file, then click Export Attachments. Tell iMazing where you want to save your attachments, and iMazing exports them. If you've lost your phone, you can export messages from a backup you've already made with iMazing. To do this, select your device in the sidebar, then click the Backups button in the top toolbar. This will show the name of your device, and when you click it, you'll see all the backups that iMazing has stored. Click a backup to select it, then click View. From there, follow the previous instructions to export your messages. You can then import these messages to your new phone. You can also print your messages. To do this, select a message or conversation, then click Print. iMazing displays a standard print dialog, and you can choose how you want to print it.